Okay, so this video is going to explain how to make the layers of the atmosphere foldable. You are going to use this reading passage to get some of your information from. If you are a remote student, I will attach a picture of the passage. You can also use your textbook pages to help you. But this foldable is going to go in your notebook. It's going to be number 32. I'm going to explain how to make the foldable, and then I'm going to actually glue it on this piece of paper so that you can see what it would look like in your notebook, because it's got a couple of parts, okay? Alright, so you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it, I want to say hamburger style. So my paper was like this, and then I folded it left to right. Okay, then I'm not going to cut this bottom section. I am going to make 5 strips for each layer. So there's 1, 2, 3, and now we have 5. Okay, so the bottom layer is going to be labeled the troposphere. The next layer is the stratosphere. The middle layer is the mesosphere. Then you have the thermosphere. And the exosphere. So you have all 5 of your foldable tabs labeled and cut. So what I would suggest to do is to go ahead and get your foldable glued down. So you're going to take, I'm just using this as an example for notebook paper. But let me go ahead and I will just use, let me get a sheet of notebook paper. That way it's not too confusing. Okay, so you should have your notebook foldable. Okay, so you're going to glue this back side that's not cut to your page. Okay, you want to leave a little bit of space at the bottom because you're actually going to write something down here. Okay. Alright, so this is, and then you put the number there. Okay, whatever number Miss Myrick has told you. Okay, so in each section, you are going to put information about that layer in that section so that whenever you flip it, everything about the troposphere is in this section. Stratosphere, mesosphere. Okay, this is the purpose of a foldable. So that when you fold the section back, you have information about that section. At the bottom, okay, remember you're pulling it from that passage and your textbook pages. Here's where you're going to describe Earth's atmosphere, like as a whole. So basically, you could also put what you've learned about Earth's atmosphere so far in this section. If you need to, you can always flip it over and continue to the back. So this assignment has the foldable, but it also has this added part to kind of like reflect on what you know about the Earth's atmosphere. Remember, our learning goal is to be able to describe the composition, the structure of the atmosphere, and how it helps protect life. So you make your foldable, you put the information on the inside. You can color each section. That would make it a lot more interesting and fun. So each section could have a different color, and then when you open it, you could have pictures in there. Like this is the layer that has weather, so maybe on the inside you draw some pictures of weather and then just add a couple of notes in there. And then here you're going to reflect and put, you know, what did you learn about Earth's atmosphere, or just describe Earth's atmosphere. You can use the reading passage or the textbook pages.